Hey, how's it going, everybody? This is Bentleys Arts. I'm Kevin Bentley. Thanks for stopping by. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Helps the channel and all that great stuff that you hear everyone say on their videos. Today I'm going to do a caricature drawing of this guy here. And so when you're starting out to do character drawings, you want to kind of decide what it is you see. This person here, do they have a circular face? Do they have a square face? A triangle face? Those are some of the things that you kind of want to notice. So when I look at him, what I see is I see a square face. And also what I take notice of is he has very, turn it off. He has very close, thin eyes. And he has freckles. So those are some of the things that you'll take notice of when a person sits down in front of you, or if you're doing it from a photograph. Those are some of the things that you will take notice of. So let's go ahead and erase this here. And tell you what, let's just take all that off. And move him there. Doing character art is something that in the beginning, it can be very intimidating. And so one of the things that I would say to do is just to keep practicing and doing it every day, and you will become less nervous about it. And whenever you are out and about and you're looking at people, take notice of people's faces, whether you're on the bus or in your car, or if you're at the store or whatever, you're around people. Just look at the differences in everybody's faces. That's another thing that'll help. And also try not to overthink when you're doing a character of somebody, because doing a caricature is a lot different than doing a portrait. Because with a portrait, the person has to look exactly like the person. But when you're doing a character, you have a lot of artistic freedom to exaggerate as much as you want to, because that's what people expect. They expect to look different and they expect to be exaggerated. So it's a matter of just figuring out where in that scope you want to be. So I'm going to get started. What I typically do is I'll start from the left-hand side of the face and kind of work my way around. Sometimes, but most of the time that's what I do. So I'm going to do this kind of as an exaggeration. So I'm going to start with the left. I'm going to make his jaw really, really square. Bring it in there. Then let's do an ear like that there. Do his neck. And let's do a little t-shirt. Bam. And his head kind of goes around like that. And I'm just gonna kind of spike his hair like so. Then do that there, about like that, over, about like so, and about like so. So we have his jaw. Let's go ahead to yellow. Well, we've done that. Kind of like that there. With a man, you will have more squared you will have more squared angles, and with a woman, you will have more rounded angles. So we've done that. Now let's go back to black. So he has his eyebrows look like he's mad, I guess you could say. So we're just gonna give him a serious eyebrow, like so. And we'll do this one the same, like so. And we're getting his eyes are very thin. So do that there. And then the other one, we kind of do it like that. Like so. And then we give him a nose. All right, so do his ear. And now we'll do the mouth. We'll do it like that. And let's do it like that there. This pen's not working the way I want it to. Digital markers are a lot different than working with real markers. And we'll just do it like that. And we'll do that. And he has freckles, so we'll give him some freckles. Boop, 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 boop. And let's put a bit of a shadow there. Okay, we'll just make it like that. So there we have a quick character drawing of this particular guy. So let's add this layer here. So let's go to the background layer. Let's change that to maybe that color. And I'm going to use I guess a medium blend airbrush. And let's color. So now let's add in a little coloring. Let's kind of take that opacity down some. So we're just gonna add a little color. It's a little big. Let's take it down some. Like there. There. Darken a little bit there. Bit there. There. Yeah. So we're just adding this just to add a little more depth to it. Okay. And we just kind of blend some of this like so. And doing this just adds a little more, I guess you could say, life to it. Bring it a little bit. Like so. And I'm going to go to another layer and we'll do the darkening the hair. Add a few highlights. But for the most part, that's it. Tell you what, let's change this to white. Let's make this a little bigger. There we go. But anyway, you get the point. Thanks for stopping by. Again, my name is Kevin Bentley of Bentleys Arts. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Y'all take care and peace out.